guys, I'm Lauren Yeri.
And I'm Alex Ford.
And we are going to tell you about the immune response of your body really fast.
Yeah, because we had about 5 minutes of talking and 2 minutes of video, so we cut a lot of stuff and we're going to talk like 2 times the normal speed of
and we're still going to run out, so we're just going to go as fast as we can. We've already done this about 16 times.
Yeah.
Not every single time, but you know what? It's just, you already know this because you studied it, and this immunity is chapter 39. And yes, you memorized the textbook by the time you're done with the AP, so I'm not weird.
You probably already have because you're like second semester. You know what AP Bio is.
Your AP is around the corner, you guys, and it sucks. But this class has been so much fun. If you probably all agree, and if you don't, then that means you're probably just not doing very well in it.
Yeah,
this is really difficult for you. But I
still try.
Who could not like AP Bio with Dr. Brakeman? It's so amazing.
I know, seriously.
We have to go.
Okay.
Get started. So in your immune system, there are 3 lines of defense against a virus's attack, and the first line of defense are against the surface barriers, and when the virus enters the body, it must first get through the forest of hairs and a thick wall of mucus.
If it gets to the mucus, it selects a body cell and tricks the recognition protein into thinking that the virus is a harmless molecule.
Once inside, the virus takes over the host cell's replication organelles and turns the cell into a factory of evil, making new viruses that spew out and infect other cells.
Okay, the natural killer cells are patrolling. They come in contact with anything recognized as non-self, and they secrete cytokines that attract macrophages.
Yes. The macrophage arrives and it starts to destroy, and it starts to engulf all of the destroyed cells and viruses.
The dendrite arrives at the scene of the attack and engulfs the virus cell, and then breaks it up into small fragments and produces one fragment of MHC marker, and then there's also lymph nodes.
And then in the lymph node, there are millions of B and T cells, and they're all different and waiting to be activated by the appropriate virus fragment. When the dendrite arrives, it frantically searches. Okay, now they're
Okay, go back to that.
Yeah.
Back at the battlefield, the viruses cringe at the arrival of T cells and the antigens, and the antigens move fast and attach themselves to the viruses, prohibiting further replication and invasion. They also attract the cytotoxic T cells to the virus.
The T cells are the snipers, and they precisely kill the viruses without harming any of the body cells. And then the macrophage arrives and it cleans up after the T cells. And we're sorry, guys, we really tried to get through it all.
We've done this so many times. I think we said that already, but we did our best.
So just, Dr. Brakeman, go back and elaborate. If you want to just put it on mute and talk by yourself, we completely understand.
Yeah.
Good luck with the AP, guys, and give Dr. Brakeman chocolate if you want to get a good grade. I promise it works.
It works, just do it.